Hi. Hey everybody, today we are just outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. We are visiting the 7 Magic Mountains art installation. This has been up for a couple of years now. They keep extending it. Today there are a lot of people here. There's a really good energy, and we're gonna get some drone footage and tell you a little bit about how this came to be, why it's here, and when you can see it. Look at this. Nature. So pretty. And you can see everybody's in a really good mood today. People are being socially distant. People, for the most part, are wearing masks. Everybody's just like having a good time, chilling out. I've seen a couple other drones today. Yeah, it's good. It's good stuff. So I'm going to kind of set up shop here. I'm going to bring the drone up. So today's going to be a little bit difficult. It's going to be a little bit interesting. There are very specific rules you have to go by if you're flying a drone, even if you are only flying a drone for hobby reasons. So even if you're not a commercial drone pilot, you don't have your Part 107 commercial drone pilot license, which I am getting, you still cannot do certain things. So cannot fly near airfields or airspace, restricted airspace. You can't fly over people. So that means you see all these wonderful, gorgeous people enjoying their day, seeing the sights. We cannot fly over them. That's an invasion of privacy, all of that good stuff. So we can fly around people and still show people, but we cannot fly over people. I would love to get just like a straight drone shot over. Like imagine this is a drone. Imagine. So imagine we're like this over. That'd be cool, right? Can't do it. Not yet anyway, because there's people. So we have to be respectful of that. But we can get other drone shots. We're going to try to work on some camera stuff. We're going to try to take advantage of this beautiful scenery. Because out in the desert is kind of the only place we can go these days, which is fine. We're going to be fine. So yeah. The sun has just gone down. It is immediately so much colder. My sweatshirt on underneath my jacket now. I'm gonna walk a little bit closer, but my hands are already frozen. My nose is running. This is so much colder since the sun has gone over the ridge, over yonder. Alright, we're gonna get some close-ups of the rocks. Then leave because it's really good. This whole place is one big like influencer in the wild. Everybody has their camera, everybody's filming stuff, everybody's doing their photos. This is only like 20 minutes outside of Las Vegas. And there's like nothing here. And nobody. That is it for the 7 Magic Mountains. I had a great time today. I really enjoyed getting to film with the drone again. I think we get some really cool shots. I can't wait to see how it comes together. And I hope you enjoyed coming here with me. The sun has set. It is freaking cold. It's cold as hell. My fingers are cold. I know that some of you watching from like actually cold places are like, but for me right now, this is cold. Okay. So we're done. I'm gonna go. And I appreciate each of you. Thank you for being here up until this point. Thank you for staying with me. And I hope you subscribe because it really makes a big difference for me. It makes a big difference for this channel. And every little bit helps. Every like helps. Every subscription helps. The goal is to be monetized. So the goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, just so you know how that works in case you didn't already. But yeah, my name is Carly. Thank you so much for watching. This is me saying goodbye from 7 Magic Mountains, just outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. I'll see you.